This video is about making an inventory location system using a Raspberry Pi, 2 servos, and a laser for the location light. I'm Jason Head, and this is the Head Robotics channel. So the idea behind the setup is 2 servos for the X and Y axis will move the laser between the X and Y axis, and it'll point to the shelf which the item is stored on, because the database will have the inventory set up that gives the laser the coordinates. That part of the system, entering in the coordinates, has yet to be done, but so far I've made progress because I've now successfully hooked up the Raspberry Pi to servos. We've got, let's say we want to start up the first servo. And here we got a Python in the console. So let's say I want to do the first servo. So we'll go ahead and turn that on. There we go. So it's too high. And let's say we want to go direction. There we go. We change this back to 1. Do the PWM pulse width modulation. Goes the other way. So let's say we want to do. Set this back to a pause. And let's say we want to do the second servo. Let's call this our Y servo. Do with that. All right, and turn the laser on. I'm also doing PWM. I tried the high-low, but for some reason it wasn't working. I have a MOSFET switch here. Basically, you give the gate some voltage and it switches, it acts as an electronic switch. So that's PWM3. All right, so we set it 100. All right, so 1 then is what we just, there we go. So now we've got the laser on. And to cut it off, we just set it to PWM 100 when the laser gets turned off. So I should be able to control the laser on 2 axes and turn the laser on and off, and the basic part of the system is there, and the rest is just writing the script for the coordinate input and control system.